Hey traders, Mark here. Today is Monday. Happy Monday. I actually don't normally say happy Monday because it typically is never a happy Monday. But anyway, happy Monday. So gang, I spent some time over the weekend trying to get things situated on the site. And I have to say, I have a whole new respect for people who actually build websites. I decided to do it for two reasons. One, because what I wanted done was really expensive, and number two, I thought it'd be good for me to know how to do it, although I hit a bit of a roadblock over the weekend. And I want to say a big shout out to a couple people who have reached out and offered to help. So I think I figured out what my roadblock was, and I'm going to work on it tonight to try and get it going. The good news is I have the indicators all set on the server, so I can push them out. However, I'm supposed to get a new update tonight on the next version of the code. So I may just wait for a bit so I can send out that next version because it'll be much cleaner. And then, gang, I was doing a little bit of work on, for those of you who have been following me for a while, you know that I like to trade market structure. And I like to trade with the trend. And one thing that I use is what I call the LCP zone. Well, gang, I have them coded, but it's not code that I'm allowed to send out. And what I mean by that is someone else built it, one of my fellow students built it, and he doesn't want it sent out. So I have somebody else who can build it, and once that's done, I'm a couple weeks away. But gang, the LCP zones and these buy-sell zones together produce some monster trades, and I'll show you guys some examples of that later this week. But I want to talk about the price action today. So I was on Skype with a fellow student today, and let me see if I can find the trade. I know around what time it was. It was around lunch my time. And he's trading on NinjaTrader, so his charts are different than mine, but it was right here, actually. Let's see. I'm sorry. Oh, it's right here. Here it is. Okay. So I have to say I was really proud of him because he just truly executed the plan. And he didn't let the price action scare him. So he had an entry down here at 56.50, and the target was 66.50. Look what they did, guys. They went all the way up to 66.25, and they came all the way down, and then back up to 66.25 again, and then down, all the way back down, right? Almost back to his entry. And I was joking with him over Skype saying, man, the market must hate you. So he set tight, and there's the target, right? So, guys, if you look at the price action today, and if you look at the 15-minute, it looks like it was just straight up, and for the most part it was. But if you come over here and look at the 5-minute, it's a little bit of a different look, right? I mean, it's pretty choppy. Thinkorswim today got smoked, and I'll show you. 12 losses, 1 win. So one of the larger losing days that, oh, I got this date wrong. One of the larger losing days that I've had on the system, and that's just gonna happen, right? Now NinjaTrader had a different day, right? NinjaTrader had 10 losses and 3 wins. So it's just a difference of the way that the data comes through between the two platforms. Which one's better? Honestly, I don't really have a clue. But once I have this completely set the way I want it, it's not going to matter. So just bear with me, guys. This is a lot more work than I had ever imagined, but it's all coming together. So please be patient, okay? I want to do a quick update on forex, guys. Forex has had a bit of a losing streak lately, and when I say a bit of one, let me see. If I take every trade, I've lost 10 out of the last 11. Still, so it's a bit of a drawdown, but still puts me up 22% since the beginning of the year if I take every trade. Now, I'm still going to set up a page or a room where we can go through and build out this system, because this is this system I am super excited about, because I can build screeners for both forex and stocks and can darn near automate this. And so I figure what we would do is, over the course of a couple months, go through and really dig into this system. And I thought it'd just be a lot of fun for everybody to walk through and just to see kind of how I go about building a system strictly by the numbers. Okay, gang, that's it. I apologize for the delay, although there's not a whole lot I can do about it because I'm just one person and I'm trying to juggle a ton of different things. But bear with me, okay? It's coming. All right, gang. Have a great rest of your day or evening.